Imagine a world where entire cities are fueled by hydrogen from the oceans. A world without useless carbon waste. A world where everything is powered by this simple reaction, fusion. In this reaction, enormous amounts of energy are released at the collision of two hydrogen isotopes, or types, deuterium and tritium. This reaction can only take place in extreme temperatures, approximating 100,000 degrees Celsius, degrees hotter than the core of the sun itself. It is fusion, in fact, that occurs within the sun and other stars. And scientists around the world are attempting to achieve the same sustaining energy. With modern technology, scientists can easily initiate fusion, even under the required temperatures. However, the real challenge is developing a sustained reaction for harnessing power for society. This issue must be solved with the help of material science and engineering, a field of increasing importance in our world. Material science and engineering seeks to optimize the properties of materials by changing the structure, modeling, and processing of materials. In the case of nuclear fusion, there are three important materials challenges that must be overcome for fusion power to be recognized. The first challenge is developing a superconducting material capable of generating powerful magnetic current. In the most promising fusion reactor designs, fusion takes place in a super hot and dense plasma suspended within the reactor and not touching the other reactor components. The properties of the superconductor must feature a powerful magnetic field capable of suspending and condensing the plasma particles. The second challenge that must be overcome is to develop a surrounding metal able to withstand constant prolonged bombardment from the helium atoms, byproducts of the fusion reaction. Helium atoms of high kinetic energy are known to cause embrittlement in surrounding reactor material, but developing a metal of specific crystal structure and grain size will mitigate this issue and allow fusion reactors to endure without replacing the materials. The final material challenge is obtaining a source of tritium, found plentiful on the surface of the moon but scarcely on Earth due to its short half-life. Because tritium is one of the fusion reactants, it must be obtained for fusion power to be possible. This challenge can be solved by incorporating the material lithium-6 in the surrounding components of a reactor. It is known that when hit by a neutron, lithium-6 produces tritium. With this property, materials engineers can harness the tritium and filter it back inside the reactor core, ensuring a sustained reaction.
There are many types of research that are ongoing in the material sciences field that are dealing with the topic of nuclear fusion. For example, there are two types of devices that are used in nuclear reactors. The one on the left is the helium-cooled lithium-lead blanket, and the one on the right is the helium-cooled pebble bed. Ongoing research is happening right now to make sure these two designs are more effective and more efficient. Another area of research that is ongoing is trying to find the best pilot plant for nuclear fusion. Pilot plants are small, compact devices that can scale in size from anywhere to very small to as large as a nuclear plant. These devices catalyze the process of nuclear fusion and make it possible. These challenges will not be easy to solve, yet there is optimism amongst many scientists. If fusion power is to be accomplished in the near future, material science and engineering will be at the forefront of its discovery. All of these advancements in technology must go through the material sciences field before making it into the marketplace. Material scientists have a huge impact on many world-changing inventions. These types of engineers will be on the cutting edge of scientific revolution for years to come. Who wouldn't want to be a part of such a groundbreaking field?